Hey, my name is Darshal Gandhi, and I lead technical marketing at Amplitude. I'm really excited to bring you this demo that illustrates how you can monetize more users faster using Amplitude's platform. Specifically for this demo, I'm on the growth team at Amplify, a file storage and collaboration app where users can upgrade to one of several different paid plans. Most free users never upgrade to paid, so even if I can get a small percentage to start paying, that leads to immediate revenue for my company. So let's see how Amplitude can help me get that goal accomplished. Here I am logged into Amplitude, looking at a cohort or specific segment of users, those that are product qualified leads. That means they were on the free plan, they viewed the integrations feature page, but they did not upgrade to the paid plan. And using Amplitude within the same platform, I can go ahead and take action on these users. I can run an experiment on them or enable them to receive a survey and even sync them to a whole host of other channels to run campaigns on them. But for this demo, I want to deploy a guide on these users to educate them on the value of this new feature that I'm launching. And I can do that right from here in Amplitude. So notice how setting up a guide targeted at those PQLs, that's that custom user cohort. And now I can build out some messaging that my users will receive as part of the guide. Let's do that. This is where I can add some copy and then even add a button with a call to action. There you have it. Now, this is great on its own, but wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to test different forms of messaging? Because I'm not sure if this is the only messaging that's going to be really successful. Well, guess what? With Amplitude, I can immediately in one click enable an A/B test on this guide to that subset of users in making sure that I get to experiment two different forms of messaging. So here, I'm going to now define this first group as my serious messaging, and then I can write some new copy here for silly messaging and for these users to receive. So let's go update the copy here. And there you have it. So within a few clicks, I was able to now deploy two different variants of messaging. And as I save and publish this, my users will be split and they'll start to receive either the serious or the silly messaging. Now, let's say a few weeks have passed and we're now starting to see the results of this experiment. We can actually view which variant performed better and do that right here in Amplitude's UI. So jumping to my experiment results tab here, I can see that the silly variant has been outperforming the serious. And down below, I can see the different percentage allocations for how many users have been upgrading with either different type of messaging. Okay, what I can now do next is also validate the quality of what my users are experiencing by opening up session replays for that specific group of users that were part of one experiment variant. So here, I can see the session replays for users that were receiving the silly variant and how that's rendering in the UI, and if there are any potential user experience or design issues I need to remedy. So to summarize, I was able to use a single platform of Amplitude to identify a key user segment, educate them using guides, even A/B test different variants of the guide, and use session replay to confirm the quality of my experiment. I didn't need to buy up to 4 different point solutions, one for analytics, one for session replay, one for experiment, and one for guides, and try to integrate them together or send data, including user identities, cohorts, attributes, and events between all these separate tools. I could self-serve in a single platform, all on my own. If you'd like to learn more, visit amplitude.com/signup. Thanks for watching.